What's up my people, how una dey? So today I don't carry another better update carry come. Payhankey na one update like that wey been come out. Dem talk say if they use them, make they do one or two they collect. But they become get small issue. Because of that issue, people can't they lose hope and all those kind of stuff. But now they don't come back again. So I just feel like okay, make I come here and talk about this particular platform. For people we don't know, I go try explain, make una understand how the platform dey. Then you go tell me your opinion for comment section. I beg make you know say this one no be tutorial coming to come do na review I coming to come do. I won't come here come share my opinion. I'll give her my ratings and I'll go so tell on how the team they go. You understand? So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget make you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel so that you go to collect better update for my hand. Also make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. Just my opinion I come here to come share. You understand? Make you don't forget to comment where they watch this video from for comment section, and happy new year in advance guys. Happy new year in advance. Just type happy new year down in the comment section below. So first of all, wetin be Payhankey? Payhankey na one kind platform like that we talk say if they use their platform they post just like you they post on Facebook, post on Instagram, post on YouTube, post photos, videos, text, and they say they go monetize your post. Then go they pay you for each of the likes, each of the comments, and for the views. You understand? They get their own criteria. Now waiting Payhankey they all about be that. But like I tell you now earlier, they work steadily for months. But for the past 4 months, I'll be 5 months now, they've been disabled their platform. I talked to one of their CEOs and he tell me say now because say some people they use their platform wrongly and I make them disable the platform. So first of all, make we see waiting they write here for their WhatsApp channel. So they say earning is easy on Payhankey when you post, comment, like, and share as many times as possible. Okay, you can earn from. They say number one, internal content post engagement. They say we pay you for every comment you make on Payhankey. Every like and comment your post gets earns you money. Okay, if you comment for person post based on what I understand, they go pay you. And if you post too and your post can't get plenty likes and plenty comment, they say also say they go pay you. Okay, this means we pay you for liking and commenting on your post. So number two, say external views, comments, and likes. Okay, Payhankey pays you when you share your post on other social media to get views, likes, and comments. So what thing they talk be say if you get WhatsApp group and you don't post for your Payhankey account, so if you click on the share button, share and put for that your WhatsApp group, as many people as possible will go there and go view your post, like your post, share your post, say then go pay you. Now waiting then talk. Okay, number three, then talk say earn as a promoter. You earn $1 from every 1,000 views on review videos you make about Payhankey on Instagram or TikTok. Once the video goes viral, like 20,000 views and above, you earn up to $20. So this one means say if you get social media page, they say if you talk about Payhankey for your social media page, and if you talk about Payhankey for your short videos on Instagram and on TikTok, and that video go viral, so they go pay you $1 per 1,000 view. So if you get like 20,000 views, that's $20. 100,000 views, that's $100. 500,000 views, my goodness. So these people then get money where if they won't pay you this amount of money just to talk about their platform, means they get money where. Number four, they say sign up bonus for registration on Payhankey. You earn up to $3 sign up bonus. Another one, na referral bonus. They say we pay you up to $5 on each user you refer. Good evening, Merry Christmas. I'm glad to let you know that Payhankey is fully back. We now allow sign up without access code. Before for Payhankey, you know if you sign up without their access code. Now then to say based on waiting that they read it, they say you can sign up now without an access code. They say every new user has a basic account which is monetized but cannot withdraw. Only creator and influencer can withdraw. For you to be able to withdraw, you need to pay them or you need to subscribe as a creator, which is 1,500 naira or $1. They don't do so many changes on this particular platform. What will be the pros and the cons of this platform? Number one pro be say this platform they very simple to understand. And number two pro be say now come be say you fit even register even without the access code, which is an improvement. The next pro come be say they get plenty any features on this platform. Another thing I like about the platform is say if you withdraw here with naira or with dollar, anyhow we want use withdraw. It be some of the cons of the platform. The new con now come be say you need to subscribe to access your withdrawal. So another con now come be say they don't get plenty users for the platform yet, so it means say you go need to come they share the post externally if you won't get plenty views and the rest. Now if you check my screen now, you go see some of the benefits where they talk say you go benefit from this platform if you upgrade your account. Now waiting then talk be that if I won't rate this platform, I will give them 6/10. If I won't rate that from 1 to 10, I'll give them 6/10. Like I tell you now before, this one will be tutorial. This one a review, but in case you want a tutorial, I feel do I'm drop for my cirrden account. So just comment tutorial for comment section. Don't use this platform before, just tell me what you think about the platform for comment section. Just share your opinion for comment section. My opinion be say the platform not too bad for now, and I go rate them 6/10. You understand? Now my own personal ratings be that. So tell me what you think for comment section. Bye for now.